Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 123 and friends, today we are going to discuss about study related sentences. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 123. Adhyayan means study. So friends, basically study means that we normally read, write or learn something on any topic in any subject, etc. For example, if we want to give any examination, our examination in our school, or if we want to crack any government exams, so we normally study about that particular course or about that particular subject or topic. So friends, let's see these examples of study related examples. आपने अंग्रेजी की कौन कौन सी पुस्तकें पढ़ी हैं? सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स विच बुक्स इन इंग्लिश हैव यू रेड? सो फ्रेंड्स, बेसिकली इट इज ए प्रेजेंट इंटरोगेटिव टाइप सेंटेंस बिकॉज इन दिस सेंटेंस बेसिकली दे आर बेसिकली आस्किंग कि आपने अंग्रेजी की कौन कौन सी पुस्तकें पढ़ी हैं. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स विच बुक्स इन इंग्लिश हैव यू रेड? सो इट इज बेसिकली ए प्रेजेंट इंटरोगेटिव टाइप सेंटेंस फ्रेंड्स, एंड बेसिकली it is a study related sentences because they are basically asking to another person ki which books have you read in English. So it is a study related sentence. उसकी परीक्षा कब से है? So in English it means when does her examination begin? So friends, this sentence is also a present interrogative type sentence because basically the sentence means that the person is asking about a particular person that उसकी परीक्षा कब से है, means when does her examination begin. So friends, it is a present interrogative type sentence, and friends, basically it is related to study because the another person is very much curious to know about a female person's examination date. So it is a study related sentences. मैं इस वर्ष BA पास कर लूंगा. So in English it means I will pass my BA this year or I will be a graduate this year. The sentence basically means that the student is basically assuring to another person कि भाई मैं इस वर्ष BA पास कर लूंगा. So in English it means I will pass my BA this year and I will be a graduate this year. So basically it is a future type sentence, and in this sentence the student is basically assuring to another person that he will be a graduate this year. So it is a study related sentences. आज मैं कुछ नहीं पढ़ सका. So in English it means I couldn't study anything today. The sentence basically is a negation type sentence friends because the student is basically assuring टू अनदर पर्सन कि मैं आज कुछ नहीं पढ़ पाया, कोई रीजन की वजह से, किसी कारण की वजह से मैं आज कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ सका. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स आई कुडंट स्टडी एनीथिंग टुडे. सो फ्रेंड्स, बेसिकली इट इज ए पास्ट रिलेटेड सेंटेंस, एंड सिंस इट इज ए स्टडी रिलेटेड सेंटेंस बिकॉज द स्टूडेंट कुडंट स्टडी एनीथिंग टुडे ड्यू टू एनी रीजन ही कुडंट स्टडी, सो ही इज क्लियरली रिफ्यूजिंग एंड एश्योरिंग दैट I couldn't study anything today. So it is a refusal type sentence, negotiation type sentence, and it is a sentence related to study. वह BA परीक्षा में असफल हो गया. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स ही फेल्ड इन द BA एग्जामिनेशन. द सेंटेंस इज बेसिकली अ पास्ट टाइप सेंटेंस बिकॉज द पर्सन इज बेसिकली टेलिंग अबाउट अदर पर्सन्स पास और फेल रिजल्ट. सो बेसिकली ही इज सेइंग कि वह BA परीक्षा में असफल हो गया. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स ही फेल्ड इन द BA एग्जामिनेशन. सो फ्रेंड्स, बेसिकली इट इज अ पास्ट रिलेटेड सेंटेंस, एंड इन दिस सेंटेंस बेसिकली दे आर मेंशनिंग अबाउट द पास और फेल ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट. So it is a study related sentence. प्रश्न बड़ा आसान है. So in English it means the question is very easy. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence, and we normally see friends when we have already given exams in our college or schools, and when question paper comes in front of us and when we read the question and we find it that question is very easy, it was in the syllabus and we have read it fully easily. So we say that भाई question was very easy means प्रश्न बहुत आसान था. So similarly प्रश्न बड़ा आसान है. So in English it means the question is very easy. So it is a present type sentence friends, and since this sentence is related to study because the student has already studied about that particular course and now he has given the examination related to that topic. So it is a study related sentence. मैं जरूर पास हो जाऊंगा. So in English it means I definitely pass or get through. The sentence basically means that the student is basically assuring and he is very much confident that he will be cleared in the examination. Means मैं जरूर पास हो जाऊंगा means I definitely pass or get through. So basically it is a study related sentence, and the student is very much confident and sure that he will pass the examination or he will get through that examination. So it is a study related sentence. वह हिंदी में कमजोर है. So in English it means he is weak in Hindi. The sentence basically means that the person is basically mentioning about the weakness of a student on a particular subject. So basically he is saying वह हिंदी में कमजोर है. So in English it means he is weak in Hindi. So it is a present type sentence, friends. And it happens with us, friends. There are some students who are very much strong in in particular subject and little bit weak in another subject. There are very much chances that they focus on a particular subject and they find it very easy and interesting and in another subject they find it quite difficult to learn or read or write. So similarly वह हिंदी में कमजोर है. So in English it means he is weak in Hindi. So it is a present type sentence, and since this sentence is related to study, so it is a study related sentence. इसका अर्थ क्या है? So in English it means what does it mean? Friends, the sentence is basically a present interrogative type sentence because the person is basically asking to another person कि भाई इसका अर्थ क्या है, means what does it mean? So it happens with us, friends. If we don't know anything and we try to conclude or figure out something, we normally ask to another person कि भाई इसका क्या मतलब है, means what does it mean? So present, it is a present interrogative type sentence, friends, and since this sentence is related to study, so it is a study related sentence. So friends, this was the English speaking part 123 in which I tried to explain you about Adhyayan means study related sentences. So friends, as usual I wrote down the sentences in Hindi and side by side translated you in English so that you may find it easier to understand about study related sentences. So I hope, friends, you would have find it easier to understand about study related sentences because study is a topic which study basically is done by everyone, means from small kids to college student or school student, they all study. Either they study in school or college or they try to study at home any particular subject of their choice or hobbies. So study related sentences we normally speak in our day-to-day life. So friends, kindly practice these kind of sentences in your spare time. Either try to talk in front of mirror or try to talk with your friends, relative, neighbors, etc. And ultimately with the passage of time you will realize that your English language has become fluent, your personality has groomed, and you have become a fluent English speaker. So friends, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon in the subscription box, and I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, at last I would request you, please keep practicing these kind of sentences daily and ultimately you will become a fluent English speaker at some point of time. So friends, thanks for your valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.